Is it completely dead right now?
I have no idea. I'm talking shit. Good luck.
Stick around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
How's it going?
Thank you for coming.
No problem. What's going on with it?
It's my boyfriend's car. He thinks that the alternator's kind of acting up because it's not holding a battery charge.
Okay.
I'm not really sure, but so far we just need to get it towed to the house.
Okay.
Because we don't know shit to do.
Gotcha. Is it completely dead right now? Like, will it move at all?
He said basically it would start, but I don't know anything else other than that. I have the keys and stuff, but he just said something. He thinks it's an alternator.
Okay.
And it's not holding the charge of the battery because the battery is new, but it's at 10 and it needs to be at 12, I guess.
Yeah.
So,
do you know if it's all-wheel drive or is it front-wheel drive?
I have no idea. I'm talking shit, so.
What up, Jay? I don't like being in the way. I don't like being in the way, and I don't like people being in my way. So, to prevent any issues, I literally just kind of repo snatched this thing, tied the steering wheel off the seat belt, and now I'm slow rolling it at 1 mile an hour through the parking lot in these open spaces right here. So that way I'm not messing up the gas station's operation because, you know, early in the morning, everybody and their mama's here. So this is not the time to break down at a gas station. That's for sure. So that's fine. I'm already got it over here out of the way. I'll lift it up a little higher. See what kind of drivetrain I'm working with. I'm hoping it's front wheel drive. Not all-wheel drive, but I don't think it's all-wheel drive because if it was all-wheel drive, there's no way it would have allowed me to do what I just did. Even in neutral, it would have fought back. Yeah. Okay. Well, we got a pumpkin in the back, so it looked like it could be just rear. There's only one good solid way to figure it out, though. Now, these Cadillac CTSs, man, they could be all-wheel drive. So we're going to double-check to make sure. I don't believe it is, but a great way to figure it out is literally just getting down underneath it and looking. So as you see here, there's a pumpkin, right? And then you see there's axles that go over here into the wheel. No matter what, we know that these back wheels for sure have to be up off the ground when towing it on a wheel lift. What we're going to do now to make sure that it's not all-wheel drive is we're going to get down here underneath it, okay, and we're going to look to see if there's any axles going into this front wheel. If there is, then we know that it's all-wheel drive and we'll have to take another step. So we're going to get our big ass down here on the ground, make sure, so I'd rather do that than damage shit. We're underneath the front end now, and as you can see, there's nothing going into this front wheel, okay? So that means that it's only rear wheel drive. It is not all wheel drive. So that is a good thing. It means we can tow it with the rear end up in the air, call it a day. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so let's start hooking it up so we can get this thing towed and get it where it needs to go. Great, doesn't have enough power to let the key out. All right. Another thing you guys should know about GMs is when they don't have enough power in them and the key is in the ignition, it will not let you take the key out of the ignition. A quick way to resolve that is literally just putting a jump box on it and give it a little bit more power, and then you should be able to release the key out of the ignition. Personally, I don't like towing these Cadillac CTSs on the back of a wheel lift. To me, I feel like these are flatbed tow only. We're gonna take care of it. So one of the things that I do to make sure I got enough ground clearance in the front is I literally take my foot and I slide it underneath, okay? Just like that. Now, if you can do that and your foot doesn't touch anything, then chances are you've got plenty of ground clearance to be able to make it through bumps. Whatever it is that you're driving over, more than likely, for the most part, you'll clear without dragging the bumper, the valance, or anything like that. Make sure you don't tear nothing up, right? Because we're not in the business of tearing things up, right?
Fuck what they was talking about.